Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing very well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to install Castle app on PC, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. As you can see, we are in our BlueStack. So first of all, we need to be install an emulator to play Castle app game on our PC. So first of all, we need to be download it, then we need to be install it in our PC. Then we will visit on Castle app. Let's type it here, castleapp.info. then you just need to be search it, and then you will get this first link, Castle app download latest ato. Then download it, and then you will find out this option here. You just need to be click on download for Castle app. Once you click over here, now you need to be allow to connect it to bluestack.com. so the process is very simple, or you can search it from that place, Castle app. Just copy it and let's search it here, and you will find out this app in BlueStack also. So we have two options over here, so you can choose whichever you want. So I hope this video was informative for you. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.